and bare and old. Of pure love have I asked her grace, so that heart and body she has possessed. And if she were not possessed by it, to my great harm I asked her grace. But the grief tells me apart that I have given myself to the best. Whoever in this world was possessed, if only I were to her liking. Wrong has my heart that prides itself, for I am not so choice or blessed. If she chose that she would choose me, too high would be my worth confessed. And nonetheless destiny gives to folk many a thought. Soon will she put a thought there, if love has destined her to be. I once saw such a lady loved by a man of low parentage, who was of higher lineage, and yet she loved him well and true. If it pleases the desired one, a sweet kiss in secret shade, I shall have